people! We came here to have a celebration through this gift that is called music. We came here to dance. We came here to enjoy life. What's up, Hollywood?